Tired of computer problems, broken printers, or running out of memory? Meet Smartoffprint, your all-in-one solution for seamless computing on the go. With Smartoffprint, you can access your files, scan, and print from anywhere using our app and kiosks. Sign up or log in quickly to get started. Our easy-to-use dashboard lets you manage your profile, check account balance, and choose from various subscription packages. Access your documents, scan new ones, and save them securely. Need to print? Easily locate the nearest kiosk with our app. Our app also supports audio and video calls, text, and public chats. Users can even make payments within the chat, create private group chats, and join public chats for seamless communication. Don't have a kiosk near you? No worries! Become a Smartoffprint partner by ordering kiosks for your community and receive a part of the revenue. Visit smartoffprint.com, download the app, and subscribe today. Smartoffprint, your smart solution for all your printing and computing needs. Efficiency, convenience, and innovation all in one app.